What is going on, guys? It is Zander here again today. It's Thursday and we just got another payout. I didn't put a curtain back here. I hope that isn't too bright, but yeah, I'm not trading tomorrow. It was a rough week. My psychology, I let it get the best of me, and we took some shitty trades. We took some losses. The payout was not as big as I was hoping, but we still got one, so can't win them all. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this week. All right, before we get too far into the trades that I took, I just want to go over my my performance stats of this week. They weren't great, I'm gonna be honest. I needed 2 wins and we got the 2 wins, but we took a crazy loss on Wednesday, multiple losses, because I removed my daily trade limit, which was obviously a very bad call. Monday, we took a $512 profit. Tuesday, we lost $453, and then a lot of this loss on the 5th was on Asia, because I was just trying to get like quick little 1RR $200 trades so I could cash out, get my payout, and obviously all of it backfired, and it all went into my head. It was like, oh, I need this money, blah blah blah. So we ended up taking 4 losses. All of these were on Asia. It was really bad, but I was able to stop, which a lot of people, including me at a time, I do this, but I just keep going. I just keep going until the account was blown. Like it was bad, but like I said, I was able to stop. I stopped obviously way too late. I shouldn't have even done this, but we learned from this, and I know that Asia is not going to be traded from now on, which I knew before, but I just needed that reminder, I guess. This was the first trade of the week. Here we secured a $580 day. It was a decent trade, just a 1-minute gap here to this previous low. That was drawn out wrong, just to there. It was 1.35R. Wasn't a bad trade. I was at work this day, so it was a little bit rushed, unfortunately. But okay, this was Tuesday. I ended up having work off, so I actually sat on the chart for a lot of the day. And my biggest problem here was just trading way too early and not looking at my higher time frames. So market opened at 9:30 here, and we formed this fair value gap right away. And I just wanted to see, I believe this was a 15-minute low. I can't really remember. Yeah, I can't really remember if this was a 15-minute gap or sorry, a 15-minute low or a daily low or something, but I thought that we were going to hit that after this big close here. So I entered in. Obviously, I could have had my stop loss, like something crazy. I could have had it protected, which is honestly what I should have done, but it wouldn't have been worth it. Like I'd have to, which again, I could have done this, but I wanted to see this low taken and the R. So like a day like this, I should not have traded this trade. Like it was just stupid. Like why am I taking this? And after this day is when it kind of all went bad. Then yesterday, oh right, so yesterday I did take a trade here. There was a 3-minute gap, and I think I entered, we came into the gap, but like not enough that I would take anything. I wasn't really paying attention, because at this point, this was after the big losses in Asia, and I was just losing my mind. I wanted to get into something. I need to get that through my head that like not every day is a trading day, and I think that's a thing that I struggle with. A lot of other people struggle with. Like you end up taking shit like this. Like this is, what even is this? This might be a 3-minute gap, but we didn't close inside of the gap, which is what I always wait for. Wait for this close inside, and then obviously didn't close inside. I went down a bit, so I must have entered. Yeah, I entered here and got stopped out, and then we ended up taking the low that I figured we'd take. But here is our trade today. Again, like it isn't a smart trade. I was taking a small one, and I did keep a protected stop here. It was 1 to 2R. just to this 5-minute gap. We have this 1-minute gap, have it marked out, came down, we came back up, we retraced into it, and I just took this. I took this low. It was 2 minutes, and I closed it at $285 profit to get my payout this week. All right, and with that concludes our video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, hopefully next week is a better week in my head. We'll have $1,100 drawdown to play with, so hopefully, I think I'm gonna risk a little bit heavier this week, like 2 trades, risking 500, and kind of just aim for a big trade. And I'm gonna cop 3 evals once this payout comes in, probably 3 100Ks on either TOPSTEP or Alpha Futures. I don't really know yet. With Alpha Futures right now, they're having a promo where there's like no activation fee, but the account alone is still the same price as a TOPSTEP account plus the activation fee. So it's like, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will catch you next week for the next recap.